Today, I'll be sharing 4 variations of Japanese miso soup. In Japan, miso soup is made with a variety of ingredients other than tofu and seaweed. I hope you enjoy these simple yet authentic Japanese dishes. First, I'm going to make tomato, chive, and ginger miso soup. Cut 5 bunches of Chinese chives into half-inch pieces. Cut 2 tomatoes into 1-bite pieces. Peel and grate ginger. Bring 3 cups of water to a boil. Add 1/2 teaspoon of DASHI seasoning or soup stock. Add tomatoes and chives. Cook for about 2 minutes. When the water starts boiling, turn off the heat and add 3 tablespoons of miso. Dissolve miso in the ladle. 1 teaspoon of grated ginger. That's it. The scent of ginger makes you relax. Next, I'm going to make a cozy miso soup with eggplant and ground chicken with a toasty sesame aroma. Cut half of the Chinese eggplant into small pieces. Add 1 teaspoon of sesame oil to a pot. Cook 100 grams of ground chicken. When the chicken is turning whitish color, add the eggplants and mix everything well. Add 3 cups of water. Add 1 teaspoon of dashi seasoning or soup stock and bring it to a boil. Heat over medium heat for 2 minutes. Turn off the heat and add 3 tablespoons of miso and dissolve it in the ladle. That's it! Sesame oil and ground chicken add umami to the miso soup, making it incredibly delicious. Next, I'm going to make spicy miso soup with okra and ground chicken. First, scrub okras with salt. By doing so, you can remove the surface fuzz to get a smooth texture and preserve the vibrant green color of okra. Rinse with water and cut off the calyx and stem of the okra and cut it into small pieces. Slice 2 cloves of garlic. Add sesame oil and heat the pot. Add 150 grams of ground chicken and cook it well. If you are a vegetarian, you can add 2 beaten eggs instead of ground chicken. When the chicken starts turning white, add sliced garlic. Stir fry lightly and add okra. Add 3 cups of water and bring it to a boil. Add 1 teaspoon of dashi seasoning or soup stock and bring it to a boil. Add 3 tablespoons of miso and dissolve it in the ladle. That's it! The okra's thickness gives the soup a nice thickness and smooth mellow flavor. You can also add tobanjan chili bean paste if you like. Lastly, I'm going to make pumpkin spinach and shiitake miso soup with a toasty sesame aroma. Peel the pumpkin skin roughly and cut it into small pieces. Cut off the stems of 2 shiitake mushrooms and slice them. After cutting off the base of the shiitake mushroom, don't throw away the stem, but tear it off with your hands and use it. Cut 200 grams of spinach into 1-inch pieces. Add pumpkin and sliced mushrooms. Add 3 cups of water. Add 1 teaspoon of DASHI seasoning or soup stock and bring it to a boil. Cook for about 5 minutes until the pumpkins become softer. Remove scum that appears. Add 200 grams of spinach. You can insert chopsticks into the pumpkin and see if it has softened enough. When all the vegetables are well cooked, turn off the heat and add 3 tablespoons of miso. Dissolve it in the ladle. If you have sesame seeds, smash and sprinkle them on top. That's it. You can eat a lot of seasonal vegetables. It's nutritious and satisfying your stomach. Enjoy!